How to remove your profile picture from Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove your profile picture from your Messenger app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, make sure that you have both Facebook and Messenger installed. As you can see, I have already set them up, so I'm going to open the Messenger app directly. Once you are in your Messenger, simply tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, simply tap on your profile name at the top. Now here in this section, if you tap on camera icon, you will see two options. But there is no option to remove, so we're gonna need to head over to the Facebook to complete this process. So open your Facebook app. And once you are in, simply tap on the profile picture which you will see next to what's on your mind. Now after tapping on your profile picture, tap on it again above your name and you will see option to see profile picture. So simply tap on that. And now once you are inside the profile picture, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on delete photo. Confirm that you want to delete the photo and then refresh your feed. And after refreshing, check if your profile picture is gone. And here, as you can see, my profile picture has now been removed from Facebook. Now let's go back to Messenger. And when I open the Messenger again, you can see that the profile picture has been successfully removed. And that's it. That's how you can remove profile picture on Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.